In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can change a user account to administrator account on your Windows PC. So you want to go to Start, search for Users, then you're going to select Add, Edit or Remove other users on this device. You want to ensure that you're logged in as an administrator account, right? So let me cancel this. Once you launch settings, you'll be landed on this page. So scroll down and select Other Users. Select the user that you want to change and then select Change Account Type. From here, you can select Administrator and then select OK. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.